Hello everyone, how are you all? We are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feathercap People and Places. So, we are on chapter number 6, that is the clothes we wear. So, as you all know, as the season changes, we also change our clothes. In summer, we wear cotton clothes because it protects us from heat rays or it helps to survive in that so much of heat. And in winters, we wear woolen clothes. So woolen clothes are generally made of wool, which we get from the sheep, right? And cotton we get from the cotton plant, which is cultivated or grown in many parts of our country. So we are going to start the chapter now. I hope you are all ready with your books. So the clothes we wear, it is necessary to wear clothes. So why is it necessary to wear clothes? हम अपने आप को clothes क्यों cover क्यों करते हैं? To protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, dust, and all of these things. So the early man did not wear clothes. So as we all know, जैसे जैसे एक मैन ह्यूमन इवॉल्व होना स्टार्ट हुआ तो वैसे वैसे धीरे धीरे चीजें उसने नई नई इन्वेंट करी है, डिस्कवर करी. So early man did not know how to wear clothes or what to wear. So what did they do? They used to wrap around leaves or barks of the trees around themselves to protect themselves. So he had to suffer an extreme heat and cold. So जैसे पहले अर्ली मैन को आइडिया नहीं था कि सर्वाइव कैसे करना है इतनी हीट में, कोल्ड में, खुद को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है. सो उनको इस चीज में एक्सट्रीम हीट में, बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी में और बहुत ज्यादा सर्दी में सफर करना पड़ता था. Gradually, he began to cover his body with leaves and barks of the trees. So धीरे धीरे they got the idea to cover themselves with the leaves of the trees or the bark of the trees. But today men wear clothes. But आज के टाइम पे हम लोग clothes पहनते हैं ना, to protect ourselves from the all the things. He do not only wear them to protect his body but also to decorate with the fashionable clothes. So हम कहीं और जाते हैं. If we go at any other place instead of school, in school we wear uniform, right? And if you go to any other place, if you are going to a function, birthday party, so you wear different clothes which are your special or fashionable clothes. We are all need clothes because of protect us from the sun, cold, rain, dust and insects bite. So हमें clothes किस चीज से protect करते हैं? The sun, cold, rain, dust and insect bite. And हर मौसम में, हर different, when the season changes, we also change our clothes. When we wear clothes according to season, job, occasion, we look smart and civilized. So whenever we wear clothes according to the season which is going on, or we wear according to the job, or we are wearing according to the particular occasion, we look smart and civilized. So smart or civilized दिखने के लिए what we should do, हमें season, job और occasion के according dress up करना चाहिए. So in this you can see these are protective clothes of a particular season, and we wear uniform for a particular job, as you all know. That nurses, doctors, lawyers or children all they wear uniform. And this is decorative clothes. When we go to some occasion, we wear decorative clothes. The climate in different parts of the India is different. इंडिया के हर पार्ट में, हर डिफरेंट प्लेस पे क्लाइमेट जो है अलग है. यू हैव सीन माउंटेन्स में ठंड होती है और प्लेन्स में गर्मी होती है. So people living in different parts wear different types of dresses depending on the climate or season. So कैसे ड्रेसअप करते हैं पर्टिकुलर किसी प्लेस के लोग, जैसा वहाँ पे सीजन चल रहा होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. इन हिली कोल्ड एरियाज पीपल ब्रीड शीप. जो बहुत ज्यादा कोल्ड जगह होती हैं या फिर बेसिकली माउंटेन्स, यू माइट हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ शीप्स. पीपल रियर शीप देयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हेन दे रियर शीप दे टेक द वूल आउट ऑफ द शीप एंड यूज इट टू मेक क्लोथ्स. दे शेयर द हेयर. वो जो उसके हेयर होते हैं शीप के उसको रिमूव करते हैं. दे शेयर द हेयर, spin it, knit it to make the clothes. So this is the process. They shear it, they spin it and they knit then the wool to make some clothes. People in plains grow cotton, spin it after ginning and weave to make clothes. So जैसे हिली एरियाज में शीप को रियर करके वूल बनाया जाता है, उसी तरीके से प्लेन्स में कॉटन को ग्रो करके उसे स्पिन करके, गिनिंग करके और वीविंग करके यहाँ पे कॉटन के जो क्लोथ्स हैं वो बनाए जाते हैं. Cotton clothes are more comfortable in summer and hot places. So in summer and hot places we wear cotton clothes because they are more comfortable and breathable. Cotton clothes absorb sweat. So cotton clothes क्यों पहने जाते हैं? बेसिकली क्योंकि हमें जब पसीना आता है या स्वेटिंग होती है समर्स के अंदर, So they help in absorbing the sweat of our body. Some air can enter through them to make the body cool. So जो कॉटन क्लोथ्स होते हैं उस अब वो जो फैब्रिक होता है दैट इज वेरी लाइट, सो एयर कैन पास थ्रू, air can come in and out very easily, so it makes you breathable, it makes you comfortable, and it makes your body cool as well. And woolen clothes are carried to plains for also for use in winter. So in the northern place we experience winters also and extreme cold and extreme hotness also, right? So in winters we also need something woolen to cover our body. So what do? We get the woolen clothes from the hilly areas to the plains. In same way cotton clothes are carried to the hills for use in summer. और उसी तरीके से cotton clothes को plains से hills पे लेके जाया जाता है to use in the summer season. What women wear? So हर जगह पे in every different culture, the people have different culture and different traditions in all over the country. So every women wear different types of clothes. So we will see what kind of clothes women wear in different places. In our country, the common dress of women are sari blouse, salwar kurta, shirt and skirt, and a cloth of piece that is called odhni or dupatta to cover the head. So the most common dresses of the women in the India are salwar kameez, sari blouse, salwar kurta, and shirt skirt that is also known as ghagra, and a piece of cloth that is odhni or dupatta to cover their head. So in Rajasthan, what does women wear? Women wear ghagra and kachli. And in Punjab, women wear salwar kurta. In Haryana, women wear ghagra kurta. In Gujarat, lehenga choli is famous among the women. And in Kerala, mundu blouse is wear, that is a kind of a sari. And in Kashmir, salwar and firan. So in Kashmir, long coats are worn by the men and women both, which are known as the firan. So these are some different women of different country or of different state of our country which are wearing different kind of clothes. Now साड़ी has become popular all over the country. जो साड़ी है आज हमारी country में बहुत ज़्यादा popular है among the women. साड़ी are worn in different styles in different parts of our country. जो साड़ी है अलग अलग तरीके से अलग अलग स्टाइल से अलग पार्ट में कंट्री के पहनी जाती है. So in South India you can see a woman wearing sari and she is draping the sari from the shoulder. In West Bengal the sari is draped over the shoulder. In Maharashtra also and in Uttar Pradesh sari is worn like a dhoti. So these are some different kinds of styles which are used by the different in the different parts of the country. We can easily find the name of the state to which a woman belongs from the way she wears a sari. So आप किसी women का भी तरीका साड़ी का पहना हुआ देख के मतलब उन्होंने कैसे drape कर रखा है, how they have draped their साड़ी, उससे आप पहचान सकते हो from which state they belong. Now next, what men wear. The dresses of men also differ from one part of the country to the other. So जैसे women की dresses differ करती है from one place to another, ऐसे men की जो आपके वो हैं men की जो dresses हैं they also differ from one place to another. The most common dresses of men are pant shirt, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta and kurta lungi. So जो common dresses हैं वो क्या क्या हैं? Pant shirt, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta and kurta lungi. So dhoti kurta is some kind of this. So these are some pictures or the pictures of the dresses which are worn by the men. In here you can see a man is wearing chudidar pajama with a hachkan. Here he is wearing shirt and lungi. Here chudidar pajama with jacket. Here kurta pajama and this is dhoti kurta. So अलग अलग जगहों पे अलग अलग men जो हैं अलग अलग अपनी dresses use करते हैं dress up होने के लिए. In olden days, dhoti kurta used to be the dress of the men worn all over the country. So पहले के टाइम पे जो धोती कुर्ता था सिर्फ यही एक ऐसा आपका ड्रेस था या आउटफिट था जो पूरे कंट्री में men पहना करते थे. पहले सारा सेम था. But now most of the men in our cities, rich or poor, educated or non-educated, wear pants and shirt. So हमारी कंट्री में चाहे वो रिच पुअर हो या फिर एजुकेटेड या नॉन एजुकेटेड हो तो जो सब क्या पहनते हैं शर्ट एंड पैंट. सो यू हैव सीन, यू माइट हैव सीन you also see, you can see around yourself that every man dress up in shirt and pant. So that is the very common dress among the men these days. Now, some men also cover their head either with a turban or a cap. So you might have seen, if you go at the hilly places, if you go at another state or another part of our country, you will see the man covering their head with different kinds of headgears, right? कोई हम सिर पे, जैसे you can see here man is wearing turban, here he is wearing a bucket cap, here he is wearing a normal cap, here he is wearing a cap which is worn by the Muslims, white cap. और जो आप उसमें देखोगे, जब जो हिली रीजन्स में लोग रहते हैं, मेन रहते हैं, they also wear the colorful caps on their head like this. Other dresses. So this was about the women and the men. Now we will move to the other dresses. So there are other dresses rather than the casual dresses, that are our uniforms and the fashionable dresses. So other dresses, people who do special jobs wear uniform. So जो particular suppose आप कोई किसी ने white coat पहना है, open white coat, so you can recognize them that they are a doctor, right? So हमें कैसे पता लगता है उनकी uniform से? So जो लोग special jobs करते हैं, special जगह पे काम करते हैं, they wear uniforms. Like soldier wear tough clothes, policemen wear khaki uniforms. So in India, you have seen that policemen wear khaki clothes like this, and doctors and nurses wear white uniforms. You have seen that doctors and nurses are wearing white uniforms, and school children also wear uniform of the school. Now the special dresses. अब जब हमें कहीं जाना होता है, we wear different clothes, right? हम वही तो कपड़े पहन के जाते नहीं है. So हर occasion के लिए हम एक different outfit या dress choose करते हैं. So they are our special dresses. On special occasions like weddings and parties, people wear decorative clothes. So जब भी हम weddings या parties पे जाते हैं, what do we wear? We wear special clothes or decorative clothes. These include silk sarees, suits with ties, and sherwanis. So sarees and suits are for sarees. Women wear silk sarees and men wear suits with ties and sherwani. So there are some. These are the things which are mentioned for the men and the women. Women wear gold and silver jewelry. So you have seen your mothers wearing gold and silver jewelry whenever they go for a special occasion. The bride and the bridegroom too wear special dresses. So you have seen whenever you go a particular wedding, you will see that the bride and bridegroom also wear the special clothes. Now, many Indian clothes like Banarsi and Kanjivaram sarees, Pashmina shawls, chicken kurtas, and Rajasthani lehengas are popular all over the world. So these are the some famous Indian clothes which are popular all over the world. Now we have completed the chapter and we will do the exercise. A. Take the correct answer first. The long skirts worn by women in Sikkim are called. So this is not mentioned in the chapter. So we should know that the long skirts which women worn in Sikkim, that is called baku. Second part, long woolen coat worn by men and women in Kashmir. So we have learned that the long coat which is worn by both women and men, that is known as the firan. Third, in summers we wear. So in summers we wear some cotton clothes. Next, the most popular dress of Indian women is, so the most popular among these is sari. B part, fill in the blanks with the words given below. First, the climate in different parts of the India is, so as we know that the climate in the different parts of India is also different. Another, most of the women in our country wear. So most of the women in our country wear sarees. Another one, third, in winter we wear dash clothes. So in winter we wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold. Fourth, nowadays most of the men in our cities wear dash and shirt. So in most of the men wear pants and shirt. Fifth, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. So answer is seasons for the fifth one. Next, match the following. So salwar is associated with kurta. So match first one with the second. Blouse. Blouse is associated with the sari. Pants. So pants is paired up with the shirt. Early man. Early man used to wear leaves. And modern man wear fashionable clothes. Now D, answer the following questions. First, why do we wear clothes? So we wear clothes to protect ourselves from sun, heat, cold, rain and dust and insect bites. So answer is to protect ourselves from sun, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. So you have to write the whole answer. I have written the things from which we have to protect ourselves. Second, how do we look smart and civilized? So we look smart and civilized when we dress according to the occasion, job and season. When we dress according to occasion, job and season. So you have to write the whole answer. Another one, where do we get wool from? So we know that we get wool from sheep. Another question, that is fourth, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? So we wear cotton clothes in summer to keep ourselves cool, to keep our body cool and to protect ourselves from heat, as the cotton clothes help to absorb the sweat. Now write the names of the clothes mostly worn by the men and women in your state. So these skill development questions are your homework. I hope everything is clear till now. We have completed the chapter. If you have any problem, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.